Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Docker on Windows 11. 1. Download the installer using the download button at the top of the page or from the release notes. 2. Double-click Docker Desktop Installer. X to run the installer. By default, Docker Desktop is installed at CDAW Program Files to Docker 3. When prompted, ensure the Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V option on the configuration page is selected or not depending on your choice of backend. If your system only supports one of the two options, you will not be able to select which backend to use. 4. Follow the instructions on the installation wizard to authorize the installer and proceed with the install. 5. When the installation is successful, select Close to complete the installation process. You have learned how to install Docker on Windows 11. Thank you for watching our guide.